A student takes out two loans, one at 4% and the other at 6% annual interest. The total amount for both loans is $5,000, and the total interest after 1 year is $230. Find the amount of each loan. So here I've written the important information. One loan at 4%, the other at 6%. The total of the loans was $5,000, and in 1 year, the interest was $230. So what we do is we let x equal the amount of the 4% loan. And what that means is 5,000 minus x would be the amount for the 6% loan. And so now we can set up an equation which says that the total amount of interest, $230, must be equal to the interest accumulated by the loan at 4%, or in other words, 0.04x, since that's the amount of interest at 4% on x dollars. Add to that the interest earned, or actually accumulated, at 6% on the 5,000 minus x, which is the second loan. So we need to solve that equation. One way of doing that would be to clear the decimals, and that means multiplying both sides of the equation by 100. And on the right side, that would mean each individual term, this term and that term. So what we have is 23,000 on the left side would equal 4x plus, now we would have 6x here. I'm sorry, 6, which we would have to distribute into the parentheses. And that would give us 6 times 5,000, which is 30,000, minus 6 times x, so minus 6x. We can combine the 4x and the minus 6x for minus 2x on the right-hand side. And at the same time, let's subtract 30,000 from each side. So we get negative 7,000 equals negative 2x. Divide both sides by negative 2, and you'll see that x works out to be positive 3,500. Well, if x is 3,500, then 5,000 minus x would be 5,000 minus 3,500, or 1,500. And what that tells us as our solution is that the loan of $3,500 was at 4%, and the loan of $1,500 was at 6%. And so those are the two loans that the student took out.